My name is Ed Vale, Service Director here at the Porsche Exchange. To talk about our entry in the 2023 Classic Restoration Challenge, we need to first rewind back to 2022. Last year's challenge entry was left up to our 50,000 Instagram followers. The votes were in and the public chose the 993 C4S in paint to sample Ferrari yellow. So whatever happened to the black 993 Turbo? Well, I'd like to introduce to you the Porsche Exchange 2023 Classic Restoration entry, a 1997 911 Turbo in Basalt black. The 993 was the first twin-turbo 911 and the last of the air-cooled engines, which marked a significant point in Porsche heritage. Even though this 993 fell a little short last year from being a crowd favorite, what we have in store will be sure to win over the masses and secure its place as a preservation class survivor. From worn interior to scratched and swirled paint, with an engine that smokes and leaks oil, and corroded suspension and brake components, this project is going to be quite the undertaking.
Got quite a few oil leaks here. Cam covers, cam housing, dripping, pretty wet. The side also, housing, the side covers aren't so bad. They have a really bad main seal leak with volatile drips coming down on the ground. Case halves for the transmission, seeping a little bit. So it needs quite a work. And have all the rust, all these clips, all the bolts. Everything's going to have to be replaced.
One huge takeaway from last year was the depth and talent of our Exchange associates. Our preservation team, which is composed of some of the biggest die-hard Porsche enthusiasts, really gives us a competitive edge, and I'm so thankful they're part of the Porsche Exchange family.
You know, I was thinking about, the experience that our group have, in concourse. Ron, yourself, and myself, it's over 78 years of experience in judging and participating in concourse. So I think that we can do something good for this car.
Yeah, I think so, absolutely. I think we got probably 20 parade entries between us, and who knows how many wins. So,
what's exciting about this year's entry is, yes, there's going to be plenty of parts replaced, but our team's refined preservation techniques is sure to reverse the clock on our Basalt black Turbo, bringing it back to its original beauty.
Bill, you know that I restored a 68S and a 73 RS.
Oh, I knew about 73 RS. I didn't know about that.
So I can tell you, you have a big job.
For this.